आपादमौलिपर्यन्तां गुरूणामाकृतिं स्मरेत्तेन विघ्नप्रणश्यन्ति सिद्धन्ति च मनोरथः। लक्ष्मीं तनोतु नितरामितरानपेक्षमन्विद्वयं निगमशाकिशिखाप्रवालं हैरम्बमम्बुरुहडम्बरचौर्यनिग्रं विघ्नाद्रिभेदशतधारधुरन्धरन्नः। सर्वेषां स्वागतम्. So we had two abhyasas left in Tritiya Vibhakti. So let's just finish them off. So first one is the seventh one, where for the money that we use to buy things, yada vayam kimapi क्रीणीमः, buy things, tada yad dhanam diyate, when we give that money, when we use that money, the money that we are using to buy things, tasya tritiya vibhakti bhavati. They have given an example. Aham dasha rupyakaihi, because it's more than one bahuvachana. Ekam lekhanim kritavan. So I bought a pen for 10 rupees. So same we have to do. They have given figures. We have to convert it into words. So before that, let us know the figures over here, because we will try to understand. We know already the sankhyas. The sankhyas, if we know, it is very easier to recognize them. So what are the sankhyas? So we have seen the sankhyas actually over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least till 10 we know. So Samskrita sankhyas are very easy to remember. This is 1. So in the serial numbers, what we are seeing, this Ativistarha, the next exercise, that is 1. It is called Ekam in Sanskrit. The next one is 2. This is the first one is a closed hook. Second one is like our normal 2, except that we give more importance to the line rather than that curl. So instead of one. So this is 1. The hook is closed. 2 is very similar to what we write in English. But this down part, it extends. This is 2. Then 3. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6 again is just the opposite of 3. then 7, 8, 9, this is 9. And 10 we know we take 1 and put a 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In Sanskrit, this is going to be ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि,
चत्वारि
पञ्च,
पञ्च
षट्,
षट् सप्त
सप्त, अष्ट,
अष्ट
नव,
नव
दश.
दश
And now from 11 onwards, what we do is we take the same words, add dasha. This we add. So eka, ekadasha, 11. Dve,
द्वादश
dvadasha. Trini, trayodash.
त्रयोदश
This is chatvari,
चतुर्दश
chaturdasha. Pancha, panchadasha.
पञ्चदश
Shashti,
षोडश
shodasha. Okay.
सप्तदश
Sap, ha. Saptadasha, ashtadasha.
अष्टादश
Then
नवदश
Navadasha, Vimshatihi. 20 is Vimshatihi. Okay. So from here it becomes easy. 1, 2, 3 we know. So for 20 it is Vimshatihi. Then for 30 it is going to be, actually we know these words because in Narayaniyam we have seen that uh, all the dasha comes when we start. We already know that it comes as so and so. So we have seen that over there. But we only need to see the 20, 30 because once we know the tens, the endings are very easy. So 20 is Vimshatihi. Then Eka Vimshatihi, 21. Then Dvavimshatihi. Then we have Trayovimshatihi, Chaturvimshatihi, Panchavimshatihi, षड्विंशतिः, सप्तविंशतिः, अष्टाविंशतिः, नवविंशतिः, then trimshat. Trimshat is 30. So it's very easy to add numbers in Sanskrit because there is no separate indication. After 10, everything what we do is that if it is 11, it is 10 plus 1. That 10 will appear in the end. That 1 eka dasha. That's all. So trimshat is 30. So 31 is going to be ekatrimshat. 32 is going to be dvatrimshat. 33 is going to be trayatrimshat. 34 is going to be chatustrimshat. Then 5 panchatrimshat. Like that it goes on. Then there are two ways of reading this part, the ninth part. Either we say it is 39 or 1 less to 40. Okay. So I can say this is Nava Trimshat or 40 is Chatvarimshat. So 1 less to Chatvarimshat. So there we can write Ekona Chatvarimshat. Eka Una. That means 1 less than 40. So we can write it in two ways. So it is either Nava Trimshat 39, or we can say 1 less than 40 Ekona Chatvarimshat. Then 50, it is Panchashat. Same for everything else. 51 is going to be Eka Panchashat, Dvi Panchashat, Tri Panchashat, Chatush Panchashat, Panchapанчашат, षट्पञ्चाशत्, Saptapanchashat, Ashtapanchashat. Then Ekonashashtihi, 1 less than 60, or Shashtihi. Sorry, Ekonashashtihi, or we can say it is Nava Panchashat. That 59, 1 less than 60, or it is 59. Both can be presented. So for 60 it is Shashtihi, 70 it is Saptatihi, it is for 80 it is Ashitihi, then 90 it is Navatihi, and we know that 100 is Shatam. The numbers will not change. What we do is 21. We already know 2, 20, 20, then 1, 21. So this is how the words are going to be used, words and numbers. Now, in this exercise, we need to identify, because the Vibhakti, that is the third Vibhakti ending, is given only to Rupyakaihi. Okay. So Rupyakaihi is already in Tritiya Vibhakti. The ending is going to remain same. It is not going to change. Here, three things that we have to add. What is that? First one is converting this particular number to words. That means identifying it and then converting it. Tritiya Vibhakti will become Rupya Kaihi only. Then they have given one Vastu, because we are buying it, no? So that Vastu, Syutaha, that is the karma that we are doing. So that becomes Dvitiya Vibhakti. So we have to convert this into Dvitiya Vibhakti. Kritavan, Kritavati, bought, he bought, she bought. Sorry, he bought, she bought. So that part we have to add. That is the Kriya Pada. So we can see over here, Aham, this is 8. So Ru 8 Pustakam is the Udaharanam, is the indication they have given, that has been converted to a sentence as Aham, Aham, I. Ashtarupyakaihi etat pustakam kritavan. I bought this pustaka with 8 rupees, or for 8 rupees. So we have to add one aham. We will take the same form. Okay. Because framing sentences we have not yet gone over there. We'll just imitate that. So aham, this is 100. 100 is shata. Aham shata rupyakaihi स्यूतम स्यूतम क्रीतवान, or etat स्यूतम क्रीतवान. I bought this bag with for 100 rupees. So this is going to be, what is, can somebody try to tell me what this number is? Um,
It is 12.
12. 12 in Sanskrit is going to be
द्वादश
Dvadasha.
Dvadash.
So Dvadasha Rupyakaihi. Aham Dvadasha Rupyakaihi for 12 rupees. Etat kilomita sharkara. 1 kilo of sugar. Kritavan, Kritavati. Okay. Next.
Panchatrinshat.
No. This is
No, 350. Yeah.
350. Any idea?
सार्धत्रिशतरूप्यकैः
Sardha is half. Okay. So Sardha, Sa Ardha. So Sardha it is. Either we can say it is half exceeding the limit. So Trishati is 300. And then Sardha will be half more than that. Half, that means half of Shata would be 50. So Sardha Trishati. Okay. So Sardha Trishati Trishata रूप्यकैः सो अहं सार्धत्रिशतरूप्यकैः एतत् शाटिका would become शाटिकां क्रीतवती क्रीतवान्. Okay, then the next is going to be identify the figures. It is again 50, so you can use Sarda again.
750.
750. So
750.
सप्तशतरूप्यकैः.
सप्तशतरूप्यकैः
उत्पीठिकाम् द्वितीया विभक्ति. ओके. अहं सार्ध सप्तशतरूप्यकैः एतत् उत्पीठिकां क्रीतवान्. Okay. Then 30 we already know is
त्रिंशत्.
So त्रिंशत् रूप्यकैः कर्तरी क्रीतवान् क्रीतवती. So those are the sentences. Okay. So this exercise is very small. We just have to, we don't have to work too much to convert this because everywhere the unit of currency is rupiah only. So it is going to be rupya kaihi, that we are using it over here. So this ending is going to be the same. What we have to change is we have to identify this and change it to words, and then we have to change the karma into dvitiya vibhakti. That's all. Then the next exercise is the 11th exercise. 11th exercise, first let us read the sentences or the instructions over here. First, they have given kena kaihi. Kena is singular, ekavachana. Kaihi is bahuvachana. So Ramaha, Kena is the question form for Tena. You remember the Sarvanama Padas we were looking at Saha. In that, the third form is Ekavachana is Tena. So if they ask you the question is Kena, then the answer is Tena. In the same way, Kaihi, Taihi. So Ramaha Kena or Kaihi Saha Kim Kritavan iti. First, with Rama, who did what? Okay. Ramaha kena kaihi saha, with Rama. Rama did what? With whom? Okay. Ramaha kena kaihi saha kim kritavan iti upari Koshtakam. That is Upari, whatever was given in the previous Koshtaka, that we will read it. Uparitana Koshtakam. Okay. Sthulataya Nirdishati. It shows. Sthulataya, roughly. Okay. Tad adhareण सर्वनामशब्दानां तृतीया विभक्तिं योजयन्तः उदाहरणानुसारं वाक्यानि रचयत. They have given the udaharana over here. So we will see what that is. This kostaka is just to help you. But we have already done this. We don't need to look at that. So we will look at this one. The example they have given. Saha charcham kritavan. Who is doing this? Ramaha. This is all with Ramaha. And for this, we are using Saha. Okay. Ramaha. With Rama. Okay. So, Ramaha tena saha. That means here which word is used? Saha is used. What is the Tritiya Vibhakti form of Saha? Tena.
Tena.
Okay. So this we have to convert it into Tritiya Vibhakti now. Ramaha tena saha with. I told you saha is with. Okay. Saha. Then charcham kritavan. Same thing. Charcham kritavan. Here we don't need to change anything because they have changed, I suppose, for all of them. Because they are all Dvitiya Vibhakti endings. See, they have changed everything. Katham, they have given Geetam, they have given Apanam, Griham. Yes, so we don't need to change it. So this has to be written. So the sentence is going to be, you start with Rama, then you convert this to the Tritiya Vibhakti ending. So Eshaha will be Eshaha
Etena.
Etena.
Tena.
So Ramaha etena saha. Saha is this saha, not sah. Saha, with saha. This saha means with. Okay. So Ramaha etena saha katham pathitavan. Okay. Then can we start solving this now? That is what they are doing. Okay. Now there are two parts. They have two parts. The first part is tena saha something kritavan. Then the next one is bahuvachana form of it. So this part, it is ekavachana, singular. This is bahuvachana. This is plural. So what we have to do is this plus this is equal to one sentence. Okay. So Ramaha tena saha charcham kritavan. Then again Taihi saha. They have not used Rama again because it's a continuation. Taihi saha. Converting this into Tritiya Vibhakti. Te taihi saha vadam kritavan. In the same way, Ramaha etena saha katham pathitavan. Etaihi saha pathan pathitavan. Okay. Then sa will become
Taya.
taya. Ramaha taya saha geetam geetavan. Taha, the plural form. Tritiya Vibhakti will be
Tapihi.
tabhihi. So no need to mention Rama again. So tabhihi saha karyam kritavan. Esha. Esha will be
Eta.
Etaya.
Esha will be Taya.
Etaya.
Etaya.
Oh,
That's all.
Etaya, sorry, Etaya.
So it is going to be Ramaha. Etaya saha
Etaya.
aapanam gatavan. Etaha.
Etaha will be Tabhihi.
Eta.
Etabhihi.
Okay.
Etabhihi.
So you just need to add a over there. Etabhihi saha vipanim gatavan. Then Bhavan. Bhavan.
Bhavata.
Bhavan. It is going to be Bhavata. So Ramaha Bhavata Saha Griham Agatavan va. Did Rama come with you? Okay. Then Bhavantaha, plural form. Bhavantaha will be
Bhavatbhihi.
Bhavatbhi.
Bhavatbihi.
So Bhavatbhihi Saha Kriditum Gatavan va. Okay. Then Bhavati.
Bhavatya.
Bhavatya.
Bhavatya. Bhavatya. Very good. So Bhavatya. भवत्या सह रामः भवत्या सह कुत्र गतवान् आसीत्? Where did Rama go with you? Next. भवत्यः
Bhavatibhihi.
भवतीभिः. So I think it's easy to remember. These are cheat codes for all the uh, bahuvachana for strilinga. We just have to take the original form, add bihi. Okay. Bhavatibihi saha kimartham kalaham kritavan. Why did he fight with you all? Okay. Then aham. Aham will become asmat.
Maya.
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 Okay. So for this, it is going to be Ramaha. Maya saha dhavitavan. Okay. Next. Vayam
Asmabhihi.
asmabhihi. Asmabhihi saha na upavishtavan. Okay. So this is this exercise. That's all. We have to frame that together. Here, all you have to do is that only. That first two sentence, that is, this is singular. Saha they have only given. You just need to put Ramaha over here. All this is Ramaha. Sorry, Ramaha they have only given. Na? Sorry. This is the Tritiya Vibhakti form. The first word converted into Tritiya Vibhakti. This is Ekavachana. Okay. Saha they have only given. Whatever they have given, na kritavan, gatavan, etc., that comes over here. And then the plural, tritiya vibhakti, bahuvachana, that will come over here. Saha is given by them only. And then whatever they have given, kritavan, na kritavan, gatavan, that will come over here. So that is this exercise. So with that, this is the last one of the tritiya vibhakti. So with that, we complete Tritiya Vibhakti. So the next class, we can start with Chaturthi Vibhakti. Again, for this also, the assignment would remain same. What are the uses of Tritiya Vibhakti? With examples, you have to mention it. So if you say Karana, then you have to give an example that is given in the starting. Then Sadhana, you have to give that example. And then Bhava Suchaka Padana, one example. Then Saha, give an example. Then Vina, example. Then Karanavachaka, example. Then Prayana Sadhanam, Then buying, dhanam, dhanam diyate tasya, yat dhanam diyate tasya. See, these are the hints. In the bold letters they have given, no? That is where Tritiya Vibhakti follows. So therefore, you can take this. Then there is alam. Alam also, there you have to give an example. And in the same way, we have conversations. We have one more is there. Use wise, that is it, I suppose. So all these are the uses of Tritiya Vibhakti where it is used, and then example for each of them. And one other thing is the Tritiya Vibhakti form for all the words that we have seen. That means Akaranta, Pullinga, and then Napamsakalinga. We took Pustaka. So the Ekavachana, Dvivachana, and Bahuvachana. What is the Tritiya Vibhakti? And then Akaranta, then Ikaranta, Ukaranta, we have seen Rikaranta, we have seen all that. So these forms. Okay. But with Dvivachana as well. We did Dvivachana as well. And apart from this, the Sarvanama Padas that we did. Sarvanama Padas, we can get it from here. All these things. We did Saha also, Sa also. We did Eshaha also, Esha also. Tat also we did, Etat also we did. Bhavan we did, Bhavati we did. Aham also did, we did Tvam also. So these has to be written. This would be the ending assignment for Tritiya Vibhakti, and we will start with Chaturthi from tomorrow. Astu. Any doubts in this regard? Astu. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः प्रतिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषा गोब्राह्मणेभ्यो शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि। धन्यवादः सर्वेभ्यः।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवादः।